Hi students, we already discussed about protein now. Now we are going to discuss about the last topic of the biomolecule, that is nucleic acid. Let us see what is nucleic acid now. Okay, it is a very small topic. So it's easy to learn. So let us understand what is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is actually a polymer of nucleotide. So you have to understand what is a nucleotide. In protein, we learned it was a polymer of alpha amino acid, and we learned amino acid. Like that, polymer of nucleotide it is. So we have to understand what is nucleotide at first. Okay. So a nucleotide is having a pentose sugar residue that is attached with a nitrogenous base and a phosphate. That is called what? A nucleotide. So first a nucleoside will form. Those which is having a nitrogenous base and a pentose sugar. And after that, a phosphate group will come and attach, and that will result in the formation of a nucleotide. Okay, so nucleotide in detail, it is like this. One ribose sugar will be there, one base will be there, one phosphate should be there. Okay, so let us see what are the different type of sugar it is present. Okay, pentose sugar. It may be either beta D ribose. If it is beta D ribose, it will be RNA. And if it is beta D2 deoxyribose, it is present in what? DNA. Okay, so what is the difference? OH, same, right? But here, instead of HOH, two are H. Okay, two H are there. And then HOH again and HCH2H. Rest all are same. But in beta D2 deoxyribose, deoxy, one oxygen is not there. That is the deoxy. Okay, both are hydrogen. Okay, so if you in RNA, we can see this sugar beta D ribose. In DNA, we can see beta D2 deoxyribose. And what are the different type of bases present? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. These are the different type of bases present. Okay. Now, where the attachment is there, if it is the sugar residue, the first position base will attach. Okay. And the which position is the phosphate group? Fifth position, fifth carbon, the OH in place of OH group, who will attach the phosphate PO4 minus will be attaching there. Okay. And what is nucleic acid? We already learned it is a polymer of nucleotide. There are two types, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic. We already discussed what are the changes in the sugar there. And now, let us see the secondary structure of RNA, DNA. So how the secondary structure of RNA is actually, in secondary structure, the different strands will coil. So when they coil together, what will happen? There will be the combination of bonding between two bases. So which and which will be bonding here in DNA? Adenine and thymine. AT will bond together and CG. This is the only combination possible. A will bonded with the thymine. A, D, T, and cytosine will bond only with the guanine. So CG. So AT, CG are the only combination. This is a backbone, phosphate backbone, and they will coil together by bonding forming bond between adenine and thymine and cytosine and guanine. Okay. Now, let us see the difference between RNA and DNA also. DNA means it is having a double strand, but RNA we can see it is single strand. Okay. And deoxyribose is a sugar present in DNA, and ribose is a sugar present in RNA. And thymine will be present in DNA, and uracil will be present in what? RNA. Okay, thymine is present in DNA, and uracil is present in RNA. Okay, so cytosine, guanine, and adenine is present in both of them. But among these two, thymine is only present in what? DNA, and uracil is present in RNA. Okay, so that is the difference. What are the three biological functions of nucleic acid? DNA is the chemical basis of hereditary and may be regarded as the reservoirs of genetic information. That all of you know. DNA is exclusively responsible for maintaining the identity of different species of organism. Okay, DNA molecule is capable of self-duplication during cell division, and identical DNA strands are transferred to daughter cells. Okay, another important function of nucleic acid is the protein synthesis in the cell. So these all are the biological functions of nucleic acid. That's all for today. Hope you understand. Thank you.